doing the special events.
I must admit, 3 is a nice scale, it's a nice compliment, but you still can't get in the whole scene.
We'll give you a crash course again. Actually, it's not too bad now. I've simplified the controller. I've deleted all the locos that don't exist anymore. The only issue is the 40s. The DG's not behaving, so it lives as a 12-ton van now. So otherwise, we're not too bad. Not in time, lure him in.
Luring me into this.
They will just run away.
Can we take it out of serious? When you get used to the smell, it's still 3 o'clock. Okay. And if you want, you can move your legs as you like.
Do they ever use our shunters down in Colwyn Bay goods?
Never seen any.
Never seen any photograph.
But to be fair, when I modelled it, it's like one trip every Sunday morning, that was it. I'll tell you what was interesting, at the portal for the tunnel, there used to be like a big bell on the stick and a cable that run through the tunnel.
Okay.
So in the early days, most of the minerals were great to just slap them on the back and it's a great God's problem. So.
Gear wheels where they have a plane on the gear wheels and they'll match the majority of the diesels. And it's the to do that. And then you've got a working 2mm track is, you have to build your track, but if you wanted to get something up and going, and they have it like that. If you want to, just see there's many engagements with Finescales. Novices. So it's complex, but it would be a good place to start. But make sure you give me a ring first. The next meeting is quite a nice time. And Tom is bringing his, it's an engaged now. He built the track before Finescale. I think we were worn off the background quite well. Quite what makes sense? Moving things up and down in the yard.
That's one of them.
Went on their website and they did last year build a wheeled bucket grab in N. I was like, that's almost exactly what I need. So
Out of stock.
eh?
Out of stock.
Out of stock. So the guy who did me road tanker, Red Andy, he was going to do me one, but he's now kind of put the business on hold and gone back to his day job, isn't he? So I might have to build my own at this rate. I've got other stuff to do, but when needs must.
The exhibition guy came out asking if we had any expenses. I don't. I said he could have to speak to me. I was surprised. I mean, that was I was never
That's beyond.